Hi. Hello. Let's talk about 2026. Now you already know the routine. January hits and suddenly everyone becomes a fitness influencer. Gym memberships activated, running shoes purchased, and pickleball still trending. And that new year, new me energy absolutely maxed out. Now don't get me wrong. I actually believe that this is the time when motivation is at its strongest. This is when people set goals, dream bigger, and tell themselves, yeah, this is my year. If you're not into that whole gym life or that competitive sports thing, but you've got that itch for adventure inside of you, why not start the year with a hike? Now just imagine it. Okay? Imagine it. Cold mountain air, crazy views, and nature all around you. Still not convinced? Well, let me show you how my sisters, my girlfriend, and I decided to kick the year off with a hike to Mount Ulap. Now, Mount Ulap is located in Ampucaw, Benguet. And it takes more or less about an hour to get there from Baguio. And if you're from around Baguio, it's super accessible, no long bus rides, no overnight travel, so it's super easy to get there. Just enough time to fix your bag straps, just enough time to mentally prepare your legs. Now after paying the registration and environmental fee, we finally started hiking at around 6 a.m. The whole hike usually lasts around 6 hours for most people, but it really depends on your pace. My advice? Don't rush it. Enjoy the views, take the photos, catch your breath, pretend you're not dying from the uphill. Fun fact, this trail is actually used by trail runners to train for marathons, which explains why some people just casually jog past you while you're fighting for your life. Now, Mount Ulap offers a lot of views, rolling hills, pine forests, and of course, the occasional cow traffic. Yeah, welcome to the Benguet rush hour. Now, if you're wondering about the photo spots, the trail itself keeps things interesting. Open grasslands, pine forest sections, rocky paths, wide ridges with insane views, literally cliffs. Now, we went on a Sunday, so there's more people than usual. But honestly, it didn't really ruin the vibe. Now, if we're talking difficulty, the trail is beginner friendly, rated 3 out of 9. Now, two of my sisters, who aren't even active hikers, we're walking this trail like pros. Okay, with a few rest stops and some heavy breathing here and there. But still, if they can do it, you probably can too. Just remember though, to never underestimate a mountain. Nuts. Now listen, I'm not telling you to suddenly sign up for some hardcore survival hike and disappear into the mountains. No, don't do that. All I'm saying is if you've been waiting for a sign to step outside, breathe the fresh air, reconnect with nature this year, well, this is it. So just get out there, find a trail, hug a tree, literally hug a tree, or even camp for a night or two. Because honestly, that's not a bad way to start the year.
Huge thanks to Ma'am President Sir Ronald for guiding and helping us organize this hike. We're glad we got to do it with you guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.